friends, welcome back to my channel and into my home. If you're new here, welcome to you too. I would love to get to know you in the comments. Please click the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so that you get notified of all my new videos. We've been working on my zone cleaning series. I adopted my version of zone cleaning through the FlyLady. You can find this at flylady.net. Today, we're going to be working on decluttering. The number one rule of the FlyLady system is that you can't clean around clutter. The only way to keep our homes tidy is to begin with decluttering. Now, we can't just load up unused items into storage boxes and call that decluttering. It is best to get all unused items out of your home. Now, how do we plan to do such a big task? Well, you can spend your weekend full of decluttering and gathering your things and taking them to Goodwill. Or you can spend the next few weeks decluttering by category and by room. I personally will be going through each drawer, cabinet, and closet one by one. I'll be completing each room before I go to the next. I have two rules that I follow. Number one, I don't declutter other people's belongings. Now, if it's sitting out, I will take them and put them in a box and they can go through it later, but I personally will not declutter their stuff because I wouldn't want somebody doing that to me. And number two, I never pull out more than what I can shove back in if I need to. So today, we'll be working in my kitchen. Let me get my hair up and we'll get started.
When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before.
Okay friends, we're going to work on this side of my kitchen. I have 8 cabinets and 7 drawers here, and I think I can accomplish this task in less than an hour. I always work on one cabinet or drawer at a time, never pulling out more than I can put back in quickly if I need to. As I'm pulling things out, I'm placing it in categories. It's either keep, sell, or donate. If I plan on selling it on Facebook Marketplace, I will go ahead and take the picture right then before placing it into the sell box. And if I'm donating it, it'll go straight into the box, and once the box is full, I'll load it into my trunk and take it to Goodwill my next trip out of the house. I have all these mismatched knives that I never use, and I've decided that it's time to get rid of them. I'm going to lay them out and take a picture and get them placed up on Facebook Marketplace.
You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you.
I have these 2 gadgets that I thought were potato peelers. Although they look very similar, the one on the right does not peel like the one on the left. It scratches and shreds the carrot and the potatoes instead of peeling it. If you know what the one on the right is for, would you leave me a comment in the comment box and let me know? By what I can tell, it's not functional, so it's going in the trash. While I'm in these drawers, I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum them out and wipe them down real quick. At some point soon, I'd like to come in and add some shelf liners in here, but today's not the day. If you're new to my channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Michelle. I'm the mom to 3 moms and a son. I started this channel because I wanted to encourage young mothers to reclaim their peace through cleaning, organizing, and routines. If you're interested in following along on this journey, I hope that you'll subscribe and press the notification bell. Now I'm going to work on our silverware drawer. My husband and I recently replaced all of our silverware because the silverware that we had didn't have all the pieces. So you'll see me gathering up all my old silverware so that I can take pictures and place it on Marketplace.
Blood on my hands right now, and I'm stumbling, but new ways, but no, I can't be the one that you need. Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love.
Okay, this is the junkiest drawer in my kitchen. The majority of these things I use and need, but it's just disorganized. My goal today is to just stay focused and get these drawers and cabinets decluttered so that I can remove from my kitchen those things that are taking up precious real estate. I'll put the things back as neatly as possible. I just don't want to use this time to try to come up with an organizing system. I have all these wooden skewers at the bottom of this container. I used to use them to light candles. That's why you see all the soot at the back of the container here.
Yeah, you know what I've done in the past. Still you say you and I, we can last. I have found new ways, but no, can I be the one that you need? Then I changed my mind. Maybe we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need?
Stay with me till the end. You'll be surprised at what I was able to declutter out of these cabinets and drawers in 30 minutes.
Maybe if I try to fix this right then, I could have stayed the night, I could have called you mine. If I change the way I change my mind, baby, we got time to make this right. Can I be the one that you need? Maybe if I change the way I love it. Maybe if I try to fix
This poor drawer really doesn't have much of an identity. Currently, it's just holding my pot holders, trivets, napkins, and the scale. At this point, there's not much in here that I can declutter, but soon I would like to replace the oven mitts. In just a second, I realize where these little black things go to.
Can I be the one that you need? If I change the way I love.
Be circling among the clouds, because without you by my side, I would be stuck here on the ground. You're lighting up the way, I can see the road ahead of me. I won't be stumbling in the dark. Your eyes are shining like the stars.
This top drawer is my pots drawer. I really don't have a lot that I can declutter in here. Now my pan drawer, I have a couple of things that I need to get rid of, but until I can buy a replacement, I'm going to go ahead and keep them. Since I'm already in this drawer, I see some crumbs in here, so I'm going to go ahead and vacuum it out. I really do need to get serious about getting liners in these drawers.
You can take me high.
These first two pans I got as a wedding gift when I was 17 years old. They've lasted me a long time. They've seen many a meals cooked in them.
Closer to you now. I can't get close enough somehow. And I was down until you saved me, until you set me free.
This cabinet has all my metal baking pans. I have far more than I use, and I need to go ahead and declutter them.
You can take me high.
have my cast iron skillets in here because as of yet I haven't found a good place for them. I think I'm going to put them back in the oven until I can find a better spot for them. Where do you keep your cast iron skillets? Leave me a comment below.
I don't need anybody else. No one will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will hold on to you. I don't know what I'd do without you.
I'm going to go ahead and go through these pans and figure out what I do and do not want. And then I'll just put the rest in the sell or donate bins.
You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high.
I do have 2 of these small muffin pans, but I'm going to give the top one to one of my daughters.
Never knew that it could feel this way when you lie next to someone.
Unfortunately, I lost the footage of me cleaning out this drawer, but I did end up having to move all my Corningware over to the cabinet that I had the bakingware in because the Corningware was too heavy for the drawer and it was starting to collapse the bottom. In this cabinet, I keep all of my cutting boards and the tops to my pans. I know I have a couple of cutting boards that I want to get rid of.
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while. So just stay for a little while.
I'm just going to quickly go through this cabinet and see what I do and do not need. I keep my toaster in that plastic container so that the crumbs don't get all over the bottom of the cabinet.
You are the way you make me feel at night when I am vulnerable and it's cold outside, but you make it alright. I wanna know you better. Give me every detail. I won't judge you, as you know. I could stay forever.
This Bobby Flay casserole dish I love, but the handle's broke and I just don't think there's any repairing it.
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while. You'll fix what's broken when you make that smile.
So just stay for
This red can opener needs to be replaced as soon as possible, but I'll hold on to it until I can get to the stores and get another one.
Can't you stay a little while? I don't want you to leave.
So I was able to declutter a couple of things out of here.
stay for a little while.
My dish cabinet is pretty much as decluttered as it's going to get, but I do need to go through these water and coffee mugs.
Hey, yeah.
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while.
You fix what's broken when you make that smile. So just stay for a little while.
My heart is open. It just took some time. Now I just hope that you stay for a little while.
Don't ask me why I thought that I needed every size of these glass measuring cups. Now I need to decide which ones I'm going to keep and which ones I'll give away. Here's another cabinet that there's really not anything in here that I can declutter. I've got it pretty much set up the way that I want it. Up in this cabinet above my stove is where I keep my extra candles, my cookbooks, and some extra odds and ends. I'm sure I can get a few things out of here to donate. We have all these koozies that we don't need, so I'm going to go through them and pick out the ones that I think are the cutest. Like this one, it's from my sister's wedding.
No, it's the harshest mistress of all.
I have all these meal service recipe cards. This is only one stack. I've got a couple more stacks stashed away. I need to go through and just pick out the ones that I know that we really liked and that I can recreate.
Can leave out its call.
Some of these candles were left up there for good reason. It's time for me to get rid of those candles.
And you are safe with me, and I will stay with you until the
This is my spice cabinet. I've already spent time organizing this area, so there's not much left for me to do in here. I know right offhand that there's a couple of items in this cabinet that are taking up space and that I need to get rid of.
seasons come and pass, one after the last, and along we go. The shift and pull of the tides never sleeps. But if I had a boat and oceans to cross.
Hey, we did it. Here's all the items that I was able to collect that I'm either going to be selling or giving away. It feels so good to get these things out of my cabinets. All these cabinets only took me 30 minutes to do. So set your timer for 30 minutes and see how many cabinets or drawers you can get done.
I hope this video has motivated you to start decluttering. It really is a first step to help keeping a tidy home. In my next video, we're going to be decluttering my grandkids' play area. This area has become a hot mess, and I need to come up with a system to keep the toys organized. I'm going to be linking 2 more videos for you to go watch. The first one is a total overhaul of my pantry. It includes all the containers I chose and why. And the second one is underneath my kitchen sink. I'm a cleaning product hoarder, and I needed a way of being able to organize all of my products. Thank you for visiting me today. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And I would love to hear from you in the comments. I'll see you again soon.
Stay blessed, my friends.